Hello everyone, today we are diving into the world of big data processing with Hadoop, a game changing technology that has transformed the way we handle large data sets. Let's explore its power and potential together. Here today we will be covering these presentations about Hadoop. Let's get started. What is Hadoop? Hadoop, our focus today, is an open source software framework tailored for distributed storage and processing of large data sets. It operates on computer cluster made from standard hardware, scaling seamlessly from single servers to thousands, offering both local computations and storage. Moving on. Why Hadoop? Why Hadoop, you ask? Well, it boasts three key advantages. The first one, scalability. It can handle massive data sets, even petabyte or exabyte in size. The second one, fault tolerance. Hadoop is designed to keep running even if individual nodes fail. The third one, cost effectiveness. Built on commodity hardware, it's an affordable solution for big data processing. Moving on. Hadoop components. Hadoop consists of two main components. Hadoop distributed file system, a robust, scalable, and fault-tolerant distributed file system. The second one, MapReduce, a programming model that processes large data sets in parallel across a Hadoop cluster. Moving on. Hadoop ecosystem. The Hadoop ecosystem extends its functionality through various projects, including Apache Hive, providing data warehouse infrastructure, and the second one, Apache HBase for NoSQL databases, and the last one, Apache Spark, the versatile analytics engine. Moving on. Hadoop applications. Organizations leverage Hadoop for diverse applications such as log processing, web indexing, scientific computing, image processing, financial analysis, fraud detections. Moving on. Hadoop in the enterprises. Major players like Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Amazon, Twitter, and eBay utilize Hadoop, underscoring its significance in the corporate world. Moving on. Hadoop benefits for business. Hadoop offers businesses the first one, reduce cost, cutting expenses on storing and processing large data sets. The second one, improve decision making, providing deep insights crucial for informed decisions. The third one, increased competitiveness, fostering innovations and enabling faster product or service launches. Moving on. Hadoop challenges, however, there are challenges including complexity in setup, a shortage of skilled professionals, and security vulnerabilities. Moving on. Hadoop trends. Hadoop's growth is driven by rising data volume, real-time analytic needs, and the expenses of cloud computing. Moving on. Hadoop use cases. Some real world applications, including Netflix, content recommendations, Walmart's customer data analysis, the New York Times data driving reporting, and the US Census Bureau's data processing. Moving on. Hadoop future. Hadoop's future is promising, especially with increasing data complexities. It will continue shaping how business operate and innovate. Moving on. Getting started with Hadoop. For those interested, ample resources are available from tutorial to commercial Hadoop distributions, facilitating a smooth entry into the world of Hadoop. Hadoop, moving on, have Hadoop clusters. Hadoop clusters formed from cost-effective commodity hardware are the backbone of its processing power. Moving on. Hadoop job scheduling. A robot's job scheduler efficiently manage, manage tasks across a Hadoop cluster, ensuring optimal resources utilizations. Moving on. Hadoop security. Hadoop prioritize security offering features like authentications, authorizations, and encryptions for safeguarding sensitive data. Moving on. Hadoop best practices. Best practices include selecting the right Hadoop distributions, customizing configurations, constant cluster monitoring, and regular backups. Moving on. Hadoop resources. Numerous resources from official websites and documentation to tutorial, books, conferences, and meetups aid in deepening your Hadoop knowledge. Moving on. In conclusion, Hadoop empowers business with its scalability, fault tolerance, and cost effectiveness. As you venture into the world of big data, remember that vast array of resources available to support your journey. Moving on. Thank you for your attention.